marwa Honorable Sama Tandi
and as I've said, we have got the fullest possible confidence that the elections shall be conducted in a transparent manner. And the IBC should waste no time engaging in sideshows anymore. Let them focus on the task ahead. We shall support them.
Every year we spend that 8 billion for each and every old people who are below 70, above 70 years and above. Now what Raila is going to do is that he's going to increase that budget by another 100 billion. That will make it 138 billion. So that every poor household will get to receive 6,000 shillings, and we have estimated that there are about 2 million poor households in this country.
Na wameona kwamba kitu ambao inaleta vurugu na kukua na maendeleo ni mambo ya ufisadi. Na hiyo najua yule ambao anaweza kupambana na ufisadi ni Raila Amolo Odinga na chama cha ODM.
Tieni wantie kod mbunge Masani Magem constituency Honorable Odhiambo Akuba Pamneuru.